channel. Straight to the point. Today I'm going to be making a kinky curly wig. The first thing you want to do is cut your hair. I cut my hair into 4 pieces, and you want to stretch it out to make the ends, you know, like that, and then brush it out. This is me just saying hi. So now to the items that you're going to need: a canvas head, of course, some crochet wig. I got this off Amazon, off AliExpress. Crochet needle, the braiding hair you saw me stretch the other time, and some pins. Of course, you're going to need some mousse just to preserve the curls and make it more pronounced, and some straws just to create the curls, and of course some sheen oil. So the first thing you want to do is place the cap on the canvas head and just tape it down or pin it down with your pins. And of course, normal crochet procedure, you just put in the needle through the hole and grab the hair, close the hatch or the latch, and then just pull the hair through the hole. And you want to make sure that you knot this twice. Listen to me, do not knot it just once. If not, it's going to just unravel. So make sure you knot it twice or 3 times if you can. I did it twice, so just take notes. Make sure you do it twice. So I'm just showing you guys. So I learned it the hard way when I did my bone straight hair.
It's the ball for me. It's the ball for me. Stiff where? Nowhere.
So this is basically the wig almost done. I did the center part, and you want to focus more on the top area, especially the center. So the back doesn't really matter, but I'm just showing you guys. So you can, if you look closely, you'll notice that the spaces I created at the back, you know, were lesser when I went towards the top. So that's something for you to note. So I just basically did the back, and now this is how everything looks. It looks a little bit scanty, I must confess, but of course it gave me the fluffiness I wanted. But if you're doing yours, make sure you use 1.5 pack or 2 packs of hair, just to be extra secure. As you guys are going to see at the end of this video, I still had like a bald spot at the center, even though I was very careful to put more hair on the center, but I still ran out of hair. So make sure you get 2 packs, okay? And I cut mine into 4 for reference. And I'm just using the straw, and just rolling the hair, you know, on the straw. For extra security, you want to use shine jam or gel if you have, because if you do it without gel, it's going to unravel. You guys are going to see it unraveling in the next couple of clips. But I just basically pat the hair, brush the hair, and then I just roll it around the straw until I'm done with the last, until it's almost done, and then I just rub my 2 fingers into shine jam and just rub it on the ends, and it basically secures it until the water touches, the hot water gets into the hair. So yeah, that's a tip for you. And this is what everything looks like. Don't worry about the too many scanty spaces. It's bound to happen, especially if you're doing this. But once it's dry and you fluff it out, nobody's gonna know, okay? So this is me just basically arranging it into one direction so it doesn't unravel. And I'm using very hot water, so you want to make sure that your water is very hot, because that would like make the hair set like real fast. So use very hot water and just pour it over the wig, allow it to settle in for a little bit, and then you can just go ahead and towel dry it and just pull the straw out like I did. So no need to unravel the curls anymore. You just basically pull the straws, and that's it. So once you're done pulling it all out, you're going to go ahead and start separating the hair. You're going to start off with piece by piece, and then each piece will be divided into 4 pieces. The more you do it, the more fluffy and full the wig is going to look like, and the less you do it, it's going to look more sleek. So depending on what your preference is, just go ahead and unravel the curls. And of course, before I did that, I made sure to have like mousse. The white thing on my hand is mousse. What this basically did was to prevent any tangling or any, you know, when you're running your fingers through dry hair, it's bound to get tangled. But if you have mousse, it kind of like smoothens out any stubborn hair and makes the unraveling, the tangling process, you know, a lot more easier. So make sure your hand or your palm is filled with moisture, and you just basically do your thing. Once I realized that my I had done this pattern, I was still feeling that the wig was a little bit more scanty. I went ahead to use a brush, and I was just using brush to just tease it a little bit, you know, just tease it a little bit, especially the roots, just basically to give that full effect. Remember I told you that I used just one pack and I wasn't really satisfied with the fullness, so I had to use brush to tease it. And because there's still most on the hair, it made it a lot easier, nothing tangled. It was really nice. So I'm putting on the mannequin head so you can see. I was gonna cut it on the mannequin hair, and then I realized if I'm gonna be wearing it, I should cut it on myself. So I moved the hair onto my own head, and I just basically decided where my bangs were gonna be, and I just basically cut it the level of my nose, just above my nose bridge. That was where I cut it, and then I just started cutting it vertically like this, as you would see. So I cut it a little bit more, and then I just went in to tease the bangs with the scissors vertically, just to make it a little bit uneven and more natural. So that's what I was doing here, even though you can't really see, but yeah, that's what I did. And yeah, you're gonna also check the length. If you're okay with the length, you're perfectly fine. Don't cut too much, okay? Just cut the right amount. And remember, or see the spot that I was telling you about, because I ran out of hair. But yeah, it's basically fine. Nobody's gonna notice because nobody's gonna be looking at the top of your head. It's super cute. See me doing my happy dance. I was just so happy. Yeah, it came out really good. So in the next couple of clips, you're going to see the hair on me with makeup. Make sure you appreciate this video by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment down below, and subscribing and joining my family if you haven't. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. And if you're joining the family from this video,
so this is the concluding part of the last part of this video.
Love you guys.
And I hope you guys
safe.
enjoyed
Bye.
the video so far. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, and join the family. Subscribe. It's not that hard. I'm going to be making more videos like this so that we can all learn how to slay on a budget with caniculon hair. So definitely let me know if you have any special requests, or you want to see a type of hair tutorial on my channel. I can definitely work on that and get it out for you. So this is what the wig is looking like. It's absolutely stunning. I waited to wear it so that, you know, I have my makeup on so you guys can see what it really looks like. So this is what it looks like. The color is gorgeous. I've never used color 350. This is my first time, and I can tell you that it looks absolutely stunning. This is what the inside looks like. It's perfectly stitched. As I said, you might need to add more because I used just one pack and I was so lazy and I didn't want to go out to get this thing, but I don't think you'd really notice it, you know, behind here. You just need to add some more, but it really looks good. So make sure you use 1.5 or 2 packs for it to be really full, and focus more on this area than the back here. So I did that, but I still ran out of hair, so I'm just telling you just so you can achieve the same thing. I'm just gonna put it on. Ooh, who is this? I look so, hey, who is this? If you want it more, if you are one of those that you don't want anybody to see your eyes, or you didn't apply eyeshadow, or you don't want anybody to know you, you can just like pull it down more. But since I have makeup on, I'm just gonna, and I like my eye makeup, so I want you guys to be able to see it. So, and then you just fluff it, you know. And this is 3 days after I filmed this video, because as I said, I had to wait till when I had a chance to do like a full face makeup before I can show you guys what it looks like. So, and you can see that the curls are still intact, and I didn't add any water or anything afterwards. Like, it's perfect. It's like perfect. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys different styling options for this, different ways you can style your kinky coily hair and still look fire. So let me know if you try this out, and don't forget to tag me, or I don't know, share this video with your friends so we can all slay this summer, because this summer we're coming hot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and welcome to the family in advance. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.